Good morning, it's Shannon here from SP88. There's the van, and I am here to look at the here. Boom! Mercedes, it's not broken as such, but the bonnet won't close and the battery is dying. Could be because of that. Yeah, look, bonnet won't shut, so I need to figure that out first. Right, that's problem number one. And he suspects that that's probably the reason why the battery is dying. Now, there's a bonnet switch on there. Why isn't it shutting? Find out and let you know. Well, these clips don't help me get this out. I just realized I can open this flap like that. And then I've got the adjustment here for the bonnet catch. You see one screw there. Oh, it's from the other side, is it? Is that? Is it? There we go. Look, you can see that someone's been playing with it. It's moved. Alright, so wait, those screws there clearly moved. So we're gonna reposition that. 1, 2, 3, those 10 mils, and then that bonnet will shut 100%. Right, weirdly enough here, these were in their highest positions already, which is a little bit worrying. So I've just shoved a couple of screws in there to keep it at its highest positions as I tighten it back down. Fingers crossed it works. But it does look like it was in its highest position already. That doesn't look like it's ever moved. Right, so I've put these little screws in the gap so that it shouldn't be able to like force back down on the some strength. Let's see if I'm winning with that little budge. Alright, let's go. Woo. That's alright with me, man. That's alright with me, man. That's how you open the bonnet. Like that. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Okay. Now I can do the battery drain test and see if this thing is about to pass. Right, so what we're going to do is reconnect the battery.